Yo, what up, man? Sakapfet, bienvenue dans notre vidéo FIFA 22 carrière mode, man. Ça, c'est un autre épisode Alaso, man. Qu'on a coaché l'équipe Alaso FC. Là, man, nous pral jouer avec l'équipe qui est en deuxième position, qui est les Rochdale. Regarde le classement, man. 24e position. Ça veut dire, on va voir Alaso. Même là, non, dernier, man. Ça veut dire, non, dernier avec, mon premier, man. Dernier avec premier avec 1 point différent, 22 points. Ça veut dire, man, quoi saison là, malheureusement. À quoi on a monté? Baladi. En tout cas, man, les matchs, ça, équipe ça qui est dernier. Il y a cassé maintenant. On est équipe qui est en première. Dernier épisode.
The man to watch. 3 goals in his last 3 matches, and you can't argue with that sort of form. We'll have the action on EA TV. Hello, everyone. You know, some footballers enjoy a rainy day. Not sure fans always feel that way, but an exciting match in prospect nonetheless. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson, and very much ready to bring you the cut and thrust of League 2. How do you see it panning out, Stuart?
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, pinning the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully, we get a really good game here.
Decent progress with the ball at his feet. It'll be a corner.
Très bien, French. Coup de tête, monsieur. On fait coup de tête.
Favouring the short one. Decent position.
Goalie, très bien. Yo, mais pas si gardien, t'as fait des ça, non, man.
Now sending it in. Well, he couldn't get the header on the target, but you've got to give credit to the defending. That's a nice-looking ball. And the header just over the crossbar.
Bien, je suis dans cette tête comme ça, man. Gaspille la tête là. Regarde le coup d'attaque ça là. Oh no! Oh god damn! Dernier là, I'm passing bon, man. Ça qui sauve MC là, non, bah. Match 0-0, man. La équipe ça, man, son équipe dans la première division et en deuxième, man. Yo, avant match à commencer, man, je dis avant le deuxième match, on est plus de man. Venez aller, à fond, je dis nous pas l'acheter. Pour le jeune haïtien maintenant, équipe là. Valait, monsieur, 1 million. Est-ce que nous avons assez de copes pour acheter, monsieur, le ton Pierre? Monsieur, 1,3 million. Man, comme n'a pas, man, but n'a pas essayé pour nous. Acheter, à jeune. D'accord, c'est quoi, bon, ok? Pas ça. Mais. Bye. Pas exact. Ouais. C'est exactement 1,3 million. Yeah. Je pense que c'est... Oh, mais c'est d'accord, man. C'est d'accord. Ok, pas de problème. Pas de problème. Problème. 23 ans, man. Mais c'est vin en bon... Pour gagner le terrain pour nous, man. Parce que... Là. On n'a pas signé un contrat ici. Combien de cob n'a pas ici? Voici. Moi. Je me suis petit là l'équipe la salaire actuelle monsieur. À 4 ans, 4. Pas de problème close. En fait, 2000. Parce que... 2000... Ah, yeah. 2005, c'est pas un problème. Pas un problème. Nous d'accord 2005. Ah ben, c'est bon. Enfin. Yo, on continue à le faire, man. Changer. Pas jouer formation qui est vraiment. Après, pour ne pas faire goal là. Pas possible. Pas 5. Parce que, dans le moment là, man, jouer 3 défenseurs, faut 3 défenseurs rapides. Dans le moment là, man, 3 défenseurs, pas tellement rapide. 4-2-4 là. Exemple, Leverton, à mettre. Oh. Damn! Pas venir passer, non. Oh! Pas venir équipe. Ah, ça venait équipe. Ah, je change. Ah, mais maintenant. Équipe là, comme ça, mais 4-2-4. Comment ça me le joue? Les défenseurs comme plus rapide. Ah, je trouve. Ah, mais là, je dernième, deuxième. Ça, ah, non. Là, quand même, si Elan va le faire. Yo,
Hello everyone and welcome. What you can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray, in position to bring you live match commentary, and my expert analyst, as always on these occasions, is Stuart Robson. And League 2 action is what's on the menu coming up live. How do you see the match going, Stuart?
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Well, visionary passing.
Shit.
And a goal! An early boost for them. The first goal of the game. They're off and running.
Amen.
Are back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next.
Well,
As we glance at the table, it really is shaping up to be a captivating season, highly competitive, especially at the summit.
Well, what a great title race this looks like being. Yes, there's a long way to go, but it's difficult.
Wait a moment, Stuart, look at what's happening.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go, man! Hey, nah, eh? Yes! That's him.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against. And then through a goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
No.
I'm hearing that something has happened in one of the other venues. A goal there. Alex Scott with the news.
Yeah, it's a goal for Port Vale. It was a nice pullback, a long-driven shot. They couldn't do anything about that one. It's now 1-0 with 20 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. Attending to his defensive chores. Knight.
Oh, allez, très bien.
Potential danger. And he's in. It could be up for grabs.
Yes! Let's go. A grande distraction, hein. A grande distraction. Deuxième goal. Let's go. Hein. Est-ce que ça va le premier victoire nous avec Alaso FC? Nous t'as souhaité ça. Équipe à poser c'est boul. Là, man. Bon goal. Mesdames et man.
So back underway. Intriguing contest this, given the 2-1 scoreline. Holden.
Goalie!
Well, it looked as though it had a chance of going in.
Well, he should make the keeper work there, but you sense a goal is coming.
Beth.
Well, he's gone back to give the free kick, the referee here. He tried to play advantage, but it didn't accrue.
Ah, pas un problème, man. N'apprendre saluer la énergie à mes DA, n'apprendre pas un problème. J'ai bon aussi dans une belle deuxième mi-temps.
As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far, and now the second half is underway. Well, somehow
très bien gaulé. Yo, regardez ça, je suis sérieux, man. Depuis la machine.
Can he get them level?
Shit.
And able to get
Oh, no. Retire boule la de, ya. Retire boule la de.
Goalkeeper error.
Well, when you look at this again, there's two things wrong defensively about this. First of all, the goalkeeper should not be carrying it into a dangerous area, and the defenders have to be sharper to get to the knockdown. It's not good defending all round.
Yeah, ça fait pas fait.
You've really got to give credit to the entire team, because this was a bit like climbing Mount Everest. And players waiting at the far.
Oh, my God, j'ai mangé. Yes. Pade. C'est tout ça, même. Tu formation ça, man. On a fait goal. Pade. Let's go.
Well, here
Let's
it is
go.
again. Just look at
Best
the quality
centre.
of the cross. It's inch perfect, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made so easy. It's a lovely goal.
Bel goal, Simmers.
Well, back underway, and a glut of goals here. 3-2.
I can faire ça, on a.
Running with the ball confidently.
Comme
Body
vous la
in the
même,
way.
déposez ça.
A really intense pressure.
Messi,
This could level it.
Oh.
He's missed it. He'll be kicking himself.
Well, the opportunity presented
Pecado
itself, and they
Bulai,
really
man.
should
What's
be
in
level.
plan?
They have to be more composed, more clinical.
Amen.
Substitution here.
Yo, ekip sa, ekip la bari mou men.
One of the other games. Here's Alex Scott with the news.
Ekip la
It's a goal for Rochdale.
ekip la si delman
It was a
jwe
long-driven
men.
cross, and he was never going to miss from there.
Ah ouais men.
It's now 2-1
Tout,
with
well yo,
70
one leg sou jwe myo
minutes
men.
played. What a game we have here,
Mwen ka
Derek.
fanyen nou men.
Many thanks, Alex. Will it happen for them?
Alo pe di.
A deft clearance.
Ami. Mem le boule la pe di, boule la pe di pou pil ton nou men. Aïdels.
This looks interesting.
Aïdels.
Well, possibilities inside the box. This could be the
Alo pe
equaliser.
di, yon ale. Lateral la, stadi.
Successfully cut out.
Oh.
They've got to be really mindful
Yes,
of
yes,
referee
match winning.
for full time.
Match
Attempts
winning,
at a
man.
victory for the home team. No complaints from
Pi
them.
à l'aise. Pi à l'aise. Belle victoire. Belle victoire. A bien 3 belles goals, man. Bataille pour goal, yo, man. Bel match. Bien campé. Final jouer. Ça nous pas jouer. Ah non, mais nous pas jouer. Moi je faire couple là, man. Faire couple là, nous pas jouer là. Ça jouer ça, man. Le banay yon a déposé faire couple là, man. La victoire dans faire couple
And
ça
welcome to
là,
a game
vraiment
that really
important.
should have pulses racing. Every
Nah,
reason to believe
nah,
this
yeah.
will be
Ça n'est
enthralling.
pas fait.
I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And live action to come from the oldest cup competition of them all, the FA Cup. What might we see today, Stuart?
Well, Derek, players and fans love a cup competition, and although we're a long way away from the final, both teams will be looking to book their place in the next round in the hope of a good run in this tournament.
What? Yo!
That is how to strike a free kick, and that's how to make a save.
Oh my God.
Oh, a perfectly timed pass.
Oh!
And a goal!
Yeah.
Right off the bat. No wonder they're jumping for joy.
Sempre me se retire for some
Well, here it is again. It was a good finish, but
Yeah.
the keeper has to do better at his near post. He was beaten
Yeah,
far too easily on that occasion.
So the ball rolling
Regardez
again with the scoreline standing at 1-0.
Voilà.
Well, pass after pass, maybe
But
they
they-
can
they
chisel
put
an
wow, man.
opportunity. And a
Yes!
goal!
Yes!
Win the game!
Again,
Into the
man.
seat stuff.
Bel contesto, man.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. But you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here? I think so. You can't be beaten at your near post like that.
So a level
I mean,
contest, 1-1. Look as though they want to make this one count. And in with a real
Elle passe
chance.
là. Oui. Yes! Yes! Let's
In a matter of
go!
minutes. Incredible stuff.
Ah! Yo, como eles senti
Well, here
aqui
it
lá,
is again,
velho.
and it's a
Linha
superbly
aqui lá,
weighted
vai,
through
vamos
to break that
marchar.
defensive line. But really, the goalkeeper should never be exposed that easily. Great team goal, but woeful defending.
Has a go.
Yes! Why?
And he's gone for power. So close to finding the net.
Você bom, hein? Oh, man. Pas un problème, pas un problème. Non, bon quand même. Allez, au pays pour y aller. Latéral là. Bien. C'est tout même. Wallace. Wallace, oui. Oh. On flaque. Oh. Oh. What do you know? Gardien a joué, mais. Gardien chaud. Ouais, bien. Yo, équipe B ça bien joué, man.
In the last 15 minutes, and their attacking play has been excellent. Surely only a matter of time before they extend their lead here.
Very quick thinking there.
His
body on the line. Strength and control.
Ah, mais ballon pète direct.
It might be on for them.
Très bien.
An inability to keep hold of the ball there.
Ah, man.
Breaking at pace.
Allez, encore. Allez, où même?
Well, it could be on prime here. Well, he really wants his brace.
Well, he looks so bright today. His movement has been excellent.
Très bien. Oh, oh,
Must
oh,
be.
oh.
And fired against the crossbar. He's given us away.
Well, they're so unlucky not to be level now. It was a great effort. You just wonder if they're going to regret that.
Très bien. Voilà, allez. Assez.
Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Counter attack. Defenders need to cover.
Yeah. Très bien.
Could be it.
Oh, il est entré. Il est entré. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, man. Qu'est-ce que ça? Belle chute, oui, mais comme boss, c'est gardien. Ah, il va rentrer. Elle est entrée quand même. Ouais, qu'on a suivi, man.
It's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power.
You guys,
What a good fit.
Olé, film. Ouais, man. Pas un problème. Alaso FC.
So back underway. 3-1 the score.
On va jouer, mais on va jouer. Cher, quand t'as mal propre tes goals, lui, man. Faut pas qu'elle vie goal, lui, man. Regarde.
Here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box. Just begging someone to get on the end of it, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait, regarde. En tout cas, man, équipe B a bon, mais le problème de gagner équipe B a gardien. Et volé, assassin. Ça fait une belle victoire, man. AD, ça fait 6e fois nous back to back. Il y en a FA Cup là, et puis il y en a championnat, man. Après victoire, ça nous fait là, au quoi nous monter en 23e position. Puis le fait toujours, mais changer, man. Les bonnets toujours, man. Mois d'octobre, nous seulement ça. Paquet de match. En tout cas, man, il a mis fin l'épisode ça. Sur mes vidéos, man, c'est ça pour abonner à la chaîne là, partager et puis commenter. On apprend notre vidéo. Peace.